Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you do the corner treatments inside the solidworks sheet metals. Let me delete this one for now and let me add another edge flange over here like this. Let me add another flange over here like this. And in this lecture I'm going to discuss with you people the corners. Okay, we have different kinds of corners, like in open corners and sharp corners, so we have to treat them. We don't want any kind of sharp corners, we don't want any kind of open corners. So what to do, I will come to corners and close corner. This is open right now, I will choose this, and you can choose any of the category, right? Let me close it for now. Let me undo this, and the next thing, that is weld corners. Most probably I'll refer you people that almost use the weld corners because it is really simple for you people. You will just like this, and the whole corners will be selected for your people, right? You can see here and say okay. See, and look at this, it's generated the weld for me. The system automatically generated the weld for me, and it's distinguished itself from the rest of the object as well. Now the next thing, that is break corner. So as you can see, we have these sharp corners, so I must treat them, okay, by using the break corners or trim corners, either whatever you can say for it. Okay, let me choose this corner as well, and let me choose this corner also. Okay, but here we have subcategories. Either you can use fillet, either you can use chamfer. Most probably we're dealing with fillet, and you can assign the fillet radius and say okay. So hopefully you got the point. How can you use the break corners or corner frames? The last thing, that is known as the corner relief. So for example, let me close this for now and just say okay. But if you look over here, so still I have this open corner. What to do, I will come to corner relief, and here what to do, I will just come to corners and click and collect all corners. Once you've done this, just say okay. So here you can see I have treated the open corners, and now looks better. So hopefully you understand the video, and if you're new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video, also like and comment. Thanks for watching.